Hey, you and your buddy go golfing. You roll up to the golf course. You're ready to hack your way around 18 holes, maybe just 9. You decide to share a cart because, let's be honest, neither of you needs the cardio, and I just like enjoying my ride instead of wondering if I'm going to actually make it. And then the pro shop clerk hits you up with the mathematical masterpiece that is modern golf economics. That'll be 2 cart fees. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Today, we're talking about one of the most beautifully absurd scams in recreational sports. I'm talking about golf courses charging 2 separate cart fees for 2 golfers sharing one cart. One cart, singular. Not 2 carts, not multiple carts, 1 cart. Now, I know what you're thinking. Peter, surely there's some logical explanation for this financial wizardry. And you'd be wrong, because if there was logic involved, we wouldn't be having this conversation. Let me break down this genius business model for you. 2 golfers, 1 cart, 2 fees. It's like going to a restaurant with a friend, ordering a pizza to share, and the waiter says, that'll be 2 pizza charges because 2 of you are eating it. Or getting an Uber with your friend and the driver charging you double fare because you both get the same ride to the same destination. But no, apparently golf carts operate in some magical dimension where the laws of physics and basic economics don't apply. In golf cart land, 1 cart somehow costs twice as much when 2 people use it. Maybe the cart feels that extra weight and gets sad. Maybe it requires therapy after carrying 2 golfers. Maybe that vinyl just wears out a little faster on the passenger side. Here's what really gets me. Tell me if you've experienced this. The cart doesn't work any harder. It's not like the second golfer actually puts that much extra wear and tear on the thing. The cart goes the same speed and covers the same distance. And to be honest, by balancing out the weight, it actually probably makes the shock absorbers and the suspension wear a little more evenly. Let's talk about the mental gymnastics though. Golf courses will gladly let you walk the course for free, but the moment you want to share a motorized cart, which by the way probably costs them about 12 cents in electricity, suddenly they need to double dip on fees. I've seen the reasoning they give. Each golfer benefits from the cart. Really? Sure. By that logic, shouldn't passengers pay full airfare on every flight since they're all benefiting from the same plane? Here's where it gets really rich, and I don't know if this has happened to any of you, so hit me up in the comments if it has. Have you ever seen a golf course try to charge you a cart fee when you're playing alone? Because apparently, when it's just you, there's just 1 cart fee. That math works perfectly fine when there's only 1 wallet to pick. The best part, they act like you're doing a favor. Oh, you can share a cart. Yeah, thanks for allowing me the privilege of splitting the use of your overpriced golf chariot while paying the same amount. It's like the restaurant splitting the check for me and a friend and then telling me that me only getting half the bill is somehow special. The funniest part is when golf courses and people from the golf courses try to justify it by saying that the cart fee includes maintenance and upkeep. So the cart magically requires twice as much maintenance when 2 people use it instead of 1? Does the second person's presence cause the tires to wear out exponentially faster? Look, I get that golf courses need to make money, but can we at least pretend that basic math still applies? If I rent a car with a friend for a road trip, Enterprise doesn't charge us twice the rental fee because we're both getting in the car. If I get a hotel room with my wife, Marriott doesn't charge me twice for the hotel room because 2 people are sleeping in the bed. But golf? Golf has transcended normal business logic and entered a realm where 1 cart can equal 2 fees if 2 people want to use it. The only thing more impressive than this pricing strategy is how every golfer just accepts it. We grumble and complain and make jokes about it, but we happily pay it because what are we going to do? Walk like a Neanderthal? In golf shoes with our golf bags? No, that's a recipe for a heart attack. So until golf courses discover that 1 cart is still 1 cart, regardless of how many people are riding it and how many fees you charge for it, we'll keep paying this golf cart tribute fee. Just remember, somewhere out there, there's a golf cart feeling really, really valuable because it's apparently worth 2 cart fees despite being 1 cart. And that is why golf remains the only sport where the math is more frustrating than the actual game. Peter Von Panda, out.